What's going on, guys? It's Adrian from ZBrush.com. Welcome to the channel. We mainly focus on human and animal anatomy, just sculpting in ZBrush Blender. The big question is, do you actually need us? Do you actually need to subscribe and follow along on this channel, teaching you how to make 3D anatomy models, AI generators, which are actually doing very, very good job. Mostly for like cartoony stuff, it actually does work. Bam, it's out of the blue. This is like the lungs. So I haven't even generated it yet, but then this is not anatomically correct, but then it's actually getting there, like the shapes, right? It's almost there. Like in years to come, this will be knowing a lot, right? I guess. So then I'm in Rodin AI. I've used this not a lot, but it does work. Let me see if I can sign in quickly. My goodness. PS with Adrian. So then I've used this for like cartoony stuff, just to quickly get like a rough block out, and it actually did like a good job. But then with anatomy now, this is tricky. So you can upload your image, upload a 3D model as a point cloud, and when you create a point cloud or a text input, my goodness. And then let me just do this. And then I'm just gonna look at my screenshot. Here's my dog. Not my dog, but like a dog skeleton. So this is a recent tutorial that we actually released, like a video. So then just click generate. So that you basically just upload your image, or you can use like a text input. This is probably not good for now for like anatomy and stuff. And then let's see if you guys really need to be subscribing in this channel. Okay, you can redo when you wanna. Bam! Out of the bat, you guys actually need us. Look at this, it has like 4 legs or something. I think it got confused because it saw this, right? And then it created like an alien creature. So if you want to create aliens, I think this is fun. But sad enough, guys, I think you guys need to click the subscribe button right now and click the like on this video. Turn on the notification bell, because we're going to be sharing more anatomy studies or animal species that we can reach, and any anatomy studies in general for free on this channel. The entire production pipeline, from skeleton, muscles, skin, rigging, UV unwrapping, retopology. So this, I don't know. Let me click confirm. I don't know if it's gonna keep quads, and then it's gonna refine it even more. Oh my goodness, how many ribs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's supposed to be 13 ribs. Okay. Let's see the final product. Oh my goodness, you guys are. So if I think this is still far, right? I think like in terms of anatomy in general, but I gave it like a hard image. So then I actually pushed it to the limit. I wasn't very, very kind with it. But I guess you can start from this if you wanna, if this will be helpful for you. But thank you guys for your time. Don't really like and subscribe if you want to see more of this. It's Adrian from ZBrush.com. See you guys in the next one.